everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching Bits and Pieces. My name is Ananya and today we're gonna paint. Yeah. Hello again, this is the reference photo that I'm using. I'm using the acrylic paints from Febistrel in this painting, and my sketchbook, it's from Oxford. And now I'll just go so that you guys can sit back and enjoy the rest of the video. And this is the end result. Do I love it? Yes, I think I did a pretty good job. I could have done better with the hair, but I think I love it. Yes, pretty proud of myself. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You guys can also share your work to my email. I would love to see your work. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.